Hi there, my name's Alau and I'm a postgraduate student here at Aberystwyth University. Today I'm going to talk to you about some of the reasons why students may embark on a postgraduate degree. There's very rarely one reason alone that persuades a person to invest their time and money in a higher degree. Normally it's a combination of different factors that address their wants and needs. However, two major reasons that students embark on a postgraduate degree are career opportunities and personal interests. I'm going to start with career opportunities because this is a recurring theme often asked by prospective students, and there are many myths surrounding the purpose of and training involved in undertaking a postgraduate degree. Here's the good news. It is true that a postgraduate degree can help you further your career. On average, our postgraduates earn 25% more than undergraduates throughout the course of their working lives and are much more likely to get employment. Other postgraduate degrees are essential to enter a certain profession, for example teaching. Consider the pgce if you think you would make a great teacher. At Aberystwyth we offer many pgce secondary subjects, and our partnership with Welsh University means that you can train as a primary school teacher in North Wales. So, how does a postgraduate degree actually help you further your career? Well, the kind of transferable skills that you will obtain as a postgraduate student are needed in all areas of research, industry, commerce and across government and non-government organisations. As a postgraduate, you will master greater self-discipline and independent working, the ability to plan your time, use your initiative, undertake high-level research and critically assess information and data are all skills that employers value highly. In addition to this, you will develop a very sound knowledge base and often the practical skills in your discipline that employers also require. Now, let's consider personal interests. Undertaking postgraduate study for your own personal interests and development are very valid reasons for students that simply love learning, researching and discovering new things. We have many students of all ages from around the world who study with us simply because they want to. Some students, like myself, will do this on campus and will be based in Aberystwyth, where they benefit from the great lifestyle and beautiful views that Aberystwyth has to offer, while others prefer distance learning and can build up a community of interested comrades in the same discipline online. A master's really enables you to explore and investigate your interests. A notable and popular aspect of a master's degree is the research dissertation element. In some subjects, the traditional research dissertation may be replaced with a practical component, so you should check this before you apply. What else can Aberystwyth University offer for postgraduate study? A specialist master's. This is the term to describe a postgraduate degree which is normally taken within the same field as your previous academic training. This is where you will further develop your ideas, knowledge and critical thinking. Then there are postgraduate conversion schemes where you can change your career direction or retrain in a different discipline. These courses are in business, law and information studies. Finally, Aberystwyth also offers a superb opportunity to use your current experience to convert to a similar or cognate area. For example, you could choose to switch from a creative writing undergraduate degree to a master's in script writing. Or if you come from a law background, you might like to explore issues in areas like international politics or history. We welcome these types of applications, so don't think that you're restricted by your undergraduate degree. So, to summarise a few of the reasons for doing a postgraduate degree and why I think you should consider Aberystwyth, I've highlighted the following points. A higher starting salary for Aberystwyth postgraduates than undergraduates competing for the same job, variety of master's schemes adapted to suit your needs or the requirements of industry, and options to study by distance learning or on a part-time basis. Be sure to check out our other postgraduate videos where you can find out more about how to apply and fees and funding information. If you have any follow-up questions or you want to talk about anything in this presentation in more detail, please contact our postgraduate admissions office.